Here is the canoe mounted in a special high mount. It's very difficult to get down even with two people because once it comes down onto this stand it tends to want to fall that way. So I've got to set up, I've got some rope tied to the canoe and a water weighted bucket for counterweight. This is the tricky part. When it gets down to here, the canoe wants to slide off.
Well, let it slide.
Now, it's not sliding because I've got a counterweight. Can you show this counterweight to this bucket of water? Now, it really wants to slide off. I'll get further under it. You ready?
Yep.
Now, the counterweight is taking all its weight. Look at that. That's it.